After a long time, I am shooting my vlog. Whole day we were there at home, spent time with family, and now we have just come to the nearby park and see my son. It was just the unplanned stuff. We have come, so we'll just spend some time, then go out. It's a relaxing Saturday today.
Yeah,
So how are you feeling, Ed?
very good.
Yeah. So come, let's go.
I am not.
My son is playing there. So we thought we were at home since morning. Weekends means it's a time to clean stuff. We have been spending time at home from the morning. So we have come out now to spend some leisure time. So to tell you one more thing, I have got my subscription boxes today. So it's a nice day today with a weekend and subscription boxes. I'll soon be unboxing them and making a video of it. You watch them and stay tuned. That shall be soon on my channel. The videos would be up. Wait and watch. My Euphorbia box today, the subscription box, monthly subscription box, and I have taken this box for the first time. I thought let me unbox this while I have come to the park because the lighting is good, natural. So the subscription pack Euphorbia, and let's see what all I've got. Pricing of the subscription box I'll let you know in the description or on the screen somewhere here. 1 second. And the first product I have got is the Kajal, khol Kajal. As of now I'm just unboxing it. So this is the Kajal. So this is the Kajal pencil. Okay, let me take a swatch. It's a smudge proof. It's not exactly a smudge proof, but it will stay for some time and quite dark in pigmentation. So quite a good kajal. Okay. So good one. This is well pigmented and a smudge proof. Lovely pouch. And I have stuffs here within. Okay, I have the card, the Euphorbia August box. It says sometimes the eyes can say more than the mouth, and this is the card with all the contents written behind. So these are the things which I have got in this subscription box. So we both will unbox it, right? Okay. So we have already showed the Kajal pencil. Hold this. No, you have to do this. Okay. So that was the Kajal pencil, and I have got the second product is the eye serum. Okay. So this is the eye serum. 8 ml. So this is the eye serum. It is a rose, sheep and almond oil mixed eye serum. Okay, so I shall be using this because I have a lot of dark circles, so I'll try this for sure. And my next product is the earrings, the lovely earrings. It's in blue color. You like it?
Yeah.
So they have kept everything in blue. Okay. Yeah. So these are the lovely earrings. I usually don't wear the long ones. Very rarely I wear it. I shall wear this with kurta sometime with my usual hairstyle. Okay, I'm liking this. Nice color. And the next product of mine is the lipstick. It's been well bubble wrapped. Keep this there. Keep this in this cover. Okay. And the next product is this lip color. So my third product is the 1 second, 7C long crazy matte lipstick. This is that lipstick. The company is 7C's. This is the shade.
Lipstick powder. Lipstick powder.
Okay, 1 second. This is the shade.
I am
1 second. This is nice brown shade.
I am doing it.
Okay, you want it? Okay, we will be swatching it here. Okay, and our last product.
What is this?
Show me that. Okay, so we have finished with the kajal, we have finished with the eye serum, and
Papa,
the lipstick
yeah,
and
no.
the earrings. These are the 4 products which we have seen it so far. Okay, and my last product. Where is the card? Okay, this is a complimentary one. This is a nail color, which is a complimentary edition which I've got.
Where is that?
My last product, which is a complimentary edition, is this nail color. A very bright chili red. A very bright red, chili red, hot colored nail paint. So really very bright color. I don't wear the nail paints usually for the reason that I usually pray, and we are not supposed to wear nail paints while praying. So okay, really red and really very bright.
I am here.
No, not really. No. Okay. This was the unboxing video of the Euphorbia box, which I took it for the first time, and quite affordable price this box comes for, and these are the items. Okay, these are the stuffs which you should be getting in your Euphorbia box as well. This is a common one. Everybody would be getting the same earrings, and the shade, lip shade, is also the same one. And yeah.
And guys, now that looks we won't go now. And
No,
guys,
we are not going home. We are going to have something else. Snacks.
Mama, guys, it's very good.
We came home finally. We just had few snacks and we have come home. Like I showed you there outside the August Euphorbia box, and see here, this liner is so nice. You can just see here, it's a smudge proof actually. I'll show you the swatches here once again in this lighting, and to be very frank, really orange color nail paint. I don't know why they have chosen this color. This is really very flashy and orange, really bright. Okay, something. Okay, fine. So that's my shade. This is the Kajal pencil. If you can have a look at it properly. Elenblu. So this is an Elenblu Kajal pencil. Really dark, pigmented and smudge proof. This is really a smudge proof one. I'm showing you again all the products in this lighting at home so that you can just make out stuffs easily as the difference, right? That's why. Blue earrings. Beautiful earrings. Let me place it here. Next product is the 7C lip shade. Like I've already showed, this is the swatch. Is this eye serum. So my last product is this eye serum. The eye serum. And with this I have this beautiful pouch. Yeah, this is my Euphorbia subscription box for the month of August. So if you have liked this video, click on the like button and subscribe my channel. I shall meet you soon in my another video. Until then, take care and bye.